Are you, Bridget, are you eating black beans? Huh? Do you like black beans, Bridget, you like black beans? Yeah, you like black beans? Are you eating spinach quesadillas? Yeah, I like it. Right? Uh-oh. Bridget. No? No? Can you do no? No. No. Do you know yes? Do you know yes? You know? You don't know yes? Okay. Are you dizzy? Okay, say goodbye. No? Don't say goodbye? No? Do you want to wave goodbye? No? You're silly. You're being silly.